Well, I really wanted to take this brake caliper off, but it's a super pain in the ass. In fact, that nut right there, I had to clearance it on the bottom side to make make room for the caliper itself. I'm sorry, for the disc itself. And I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but there's no way to get to the back side of this bolt. And that is round. I must have put it on there with a needle nose vice grips or something. But it is round. There's nothing to get on there. So I could chew up that rubber and use needle nose vice grips maybe to lock it and then back that out. But then this one down here is a super pain in the ass, which I don't even want to work it around to see. So I've decided I'm going to leave it on there. We're just gonna undo this. This is a 12 or whatever it is for that. I put some extra washers on there, so that that banjo nut fitting doesn't leak any fluid. So just snug that on there, so it shouldn't leak any brake fluid. And then this one I'm gonna wrap in saran wrap and tape it up. But when it goes on, it goes on like that. But you can twist it around, just whatever. It's a brake line, it'll be okay, I think.